Hello there! Today I'm going to make a helmet hold animation because I need one for this. And it needs to be priority 5. So I'm going to show you guys how to make a priority 5 animation using Blender and Avastar. So I'm going to go over to Blender. Got the classic cube here. I'm going to start shortcut viewer so you can see in the bottom right what I'm doing as I explain it. So we're going to delete the cube as always, and we're going to add Avastar. I'm assuming you have Avastar. You need Avastar and Blender to do this tutorial and to make priority 5 animations, period, from what I understand. I don't think you can upload them any other way. So we're going to go to add Avastar complete. Once you have this here, you're going to go ahead and select a joint, and you can hit R to rotate, or you could hit numpad 5 and then 3 or 1 to get some direct angles, or just do it by, you know, your view, whatever you feel like doing. And so when I get to this point, I can't rotate this joint anymore. So what I'm going to do is go over to rigging in the top right here. And I'm going to hit A to select everything and disable rotation limits in rigging. And that will allow me to break the heck out of whatever I want now. And yeah, there you go. And now we have the helmet hold in position. We're going to go ahead and select each of the joints that I actually manipulated. Pull this bottom thing up here, which is the timeline, I guess. Pull this left arrow here over until you see summary. Click that down. And on the timeline, move this over to 2, so you're on the second frame of the timeline, and then hit I, and then hit location and rotation, and that'll set your keyframes for these joints. And then you got to go over to the third frame and do the same thing again. So frame 2 and 3, specifically 2 and 3, it has to be, are set to your pose. And now if, let's say I wanted to mirror this animation just for fun, we'll select all of these, and then we want to hit Control C to copy those poses, and then select the joints that you want to mirror them to, and then Control V, and then click this pop-up in the bottom left, flipped on X-axis. And now you got double fisty helmet pose. I'm not going to do that because I only need the one side. So now that this animation is pretty much done, we got to export it. So we go over here to this little television screen on the right there. Scroll down until you see this chunk with the anim. You want to leave it in anim so that you can upload it as priority 5. We're going to change the start frame. It's already set to 2, so the end frame is also going to be 2. The N for the loop, well, hit loop animation. We want this animation to loop. Set the in and out to 2, because you only want that 2 frame to loop. And ease in, I usually set it to 0.4, because that seems to be the smoothest in and out for when you actually play the animation in Second Life. You don't want it to be jerky or take too long to return to normal states. And we're going to set the priority here to 5 because we want it to override everything else, including AOs and walking animations, whatever you need it to override. And we'll change the name to helmet hold, and we want to export it to desktop helmet hold.anim export. And when we go to Second Life, we'll go to build, upload animation, helmet hold, upload, and it should work. Bada bing, bada boom. That's how you upload a static priority 5 animation. And I'll probably have to make some adjustments to it, but for the most part, that's all you got to do. I hope this helped somebody. You have a good day. Stay safe out there. And never stop creating things in Second Life because we need more creators. We want this game to thrive and succeed because there's no other game out there like it. All right, have a good one.